you can connect your wallet, and from here you can log into the application. Simply type your MetaMask credential. Here you are back into the application. You can able to find the number of candidate, number of voters. From here you will have all the pages of this application. So currently we are on home. From here you can able to register candidate. This is how the page would look. Create candidate. Simply click on here, upload the image of the candidate, type the name of the candidate, Daulat Hussain. Simply type the address, type the text, and click on authorize candidate. MetaMask pop-up will open, and here you are making contact with your smart contracts. All you have to do is to simply click on confirm, and here you have registered one candidate in this application for voting context. Here you can see you can able to find the name, ID, details, account address, and the total vote they have got. And with this address they can easily able to log into the MetaMask and they can give vote. Okay, only this address, and they can type their positions. It's a kind of message. Let's call it first voter, and click on authorize voter. Let's click on confirm. Here we are on voter page, and we are created successfully our first voter. And now as you can see we have one candidate and one voter. Let's close this one and let's give vote. Okay, so as you can see the account number 5 we have assigned as a voter, and I have logged into my MetaMask with the account number 5. Let's come here, click on give vote. Here we have MetaMask. We are communicating with our smart contract, and click on confirm. And here we have given the vote to this candidate, so he got one vote. The state is also got changed. The voter is already voted, that's why the state is different. You already voted.